Hello, Frank Abusick here again. I wanted to show some of the functionality behind the Monteverdi interface. So if I have my file browser open, I just double click on monteverdi.bat. This is after I unzip the contents of the downloadable from the Orfeo Toolbox website. Double click on Monteverdi and it brings up this Monteverdi interface. I can click on my folder here. Let's say I want to open an image. Let's go ahead and open an image. So we have a nice image open up. A couple other things we can go to view. If I want to bring up my OTB applications browser, here's all of my functionality, my processes that I would perform on my imagery. I may also want to look at the histogram. I may also want to look at, the color setup. This image actually has 4 bands. So if I want to view this as a color infrared, I know that my band 4 is actually the near infrared. So I can have that be in my red color gun. In my green color gun, I want my band 1, which for nape imagery is the visible red. And then band 2 is actually my visible green band, and I'm going to put that in the blue color gun. So it gives me a nice color infrared image. And just so you know, these dialogues here are undockable, which is really nice and kind of resembles a commercial product. So if I want to, expand these a little bit, I can do that. I can create, so they have tab functions, so they're not taking up too much real estate. If I wanted to run maybe an indices on here, I can come over here in my applications and browser and type in indices. And in this case, for Orfeo Toolbox, we have a radiometric indices. And this, I have to specify which bands are, what is the band arrangement in my image. So I don't have a mid-infrared channel, so I'm just going to make that 0. My near-infrared channel is actually band 4. My red channel is band 1. My green channel is band 2. And my blue channel is band 3. And then I have a long list of indices here. And let's not run NDVI because everybody does NDVI. Let's run something interesting. Let's run this NDWI2, which is a water indices meant for imagery that basically is a visible near infrared product. I can, I don't have to double click on it, but now I can just grab my data set over here. I can drag it there. I can click on my dialog, and then let's say if I wanted to just output this, just call it NDWI2 as a TIFF. And then that's kind of an example of running an indices. You can read through the documentation, and this gives you a lot of information here about the indices that are available. Indices are a very common function to run. There are many different indices that you can run, and you can even create your own if you like, which I do that all the time. Here's a log. So when I run this, you'll see some of these things pop up. So if I run execute, you can see it running. The log tab populates, and then I have my water indices. So that's just a quick example of running an indices from a 4-band visible near infrared spectral wavelengths. So hopefully that was helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.